What's going on, fellow gamer fans? It's your boy, Winston. Today's vid is a debut on the new Infantry Rifle. Personally, after today's experience with it, I believe it is the worst gun I've ever used in this game. I just could not hit a shot with it. It was crazy. But in the end, we managed to pull the dub, so I really hope you enjoy this video and like and comment on it. Thanks. Peace. Yeah, if you haven't played this game already, if you kill someone, you gain 50 health or shield, depending on how much you have. So let's try to show an example of that here. Alright, where are ya?
You're a fucking idiot.
Still another person here. What the fuck is this guy doing? Bitch, you trying to run away from me? Get the fuck out of here. Just wait for him for a sec. I knew someone would be here because of the motel challenges. Wow, this gun is... Dude, that was right on the mark. Oh, fuck. This guy, he just outbuilt me. Just on the spot. This guy's better than me. Fuck. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of stuck here. I haven't seen anybody in like a fat minute. And right as I say it. 99. Aight. Oh fuck. Dad, this ain't the truth.
Using the trees.
Let's go, baby. Oh shit, he's coming down. This is where the big plays happen. Come on now. Oh, motherfucker. I'm not falling for that trick. Shit. Oh! Let's go, baby! Oh, we got him. One left. Dude, I don't know where this man is because he's got all those balloons, man. Motherfucker. He's got to be in the trees. I don't know where to go. Oh, fuck. Ah! Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Daily vids will soon come. Peace.